Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Graph questions get easy fast when you spot what market structure implies. Then compare price with cost and revenue carefully to catch the profit story. Emma's Hoops is in a perfectly competitive market because the product is identical and there are many firms with no barriers to entry. So the firm takes the market price as given. On this graph, the firm's demand is horizontal at the market price, and that price also equals average revenue and marginal revenue. So we compare that price line with average total cost. Since the market price is below average total cost at quantity Q, total revenue is not covering total cost, which means economic profit is negative. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given market setup and check each graph step before choosing.